Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making strawberry Oreo mousse. It's a simple dessert. It only has a few ingredients. First off, you take some Oreo cookies or chocolate cookies, whatever you got, but I used Oreos, and you crush them in a food processor until they're crumbs. And then you take an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip and you put 3 ounces of strawberry Jell-O, gelatin, into the Cool Whip and stir it up. Don't add water, don't add nothing, just this in the Cool Whip. Mix all that up and then slice you up some strawberries, and it will look like this. We're going to layer it and put a strawberry on top. So let's get to cooking. We're going to take our Oreo crumbs, just pat them down a little bit. And we're going to take our Cool Whip and I put mine in a baggie and I'm piping it in there, but you can take a spoon and do the same thing. Just whichever one you want. Mixing that gelatin with a Cool Whip gives it a real strawberry flavor. A little messy, but that's fine. We're going to put a strawberry on top. I have found if you put the strawberry stuff around the edge of it, you can see it better. Well, I got about 4.5 out of that recipe, but I would double the Cool Whip and the Jell-O because 1 bag of Oreos is plenty for your dirt or whatever you're going to call it. I love strawberries. This would be a great little dessert with spring coming, March, April, Easter. in the summertime. Just any time's good. It was easy to make. You can put the filling in a bag, or you could spoon it in there, whichever floats your boat. Or put it in a bigger container. But these are good for small kids. Let me know in the comments what strawberry recipe you like. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise, and any affiliate links that I have or have mentioned. Also in the description there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Thank you always for watching my videos, and God bless.